Hello, I'm back with another video. I am your host Crypto Bull Wilson, and today I want to talk about Bitcoin reaching $100,000 in value. The significance of Bitcoin reaching $100,000 when it occurred marked a historic moment in the evolution of both digital assets and global finance. It demonstrated the growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies as a legitimate asset class and represented a milestone in the journey toward mainstream adoption. The event carried deep implications across financial, technological, and social landscapes. When Bitcoin reached $100,000, it validated its position as a store of value, akin to digital gold. This milestone reflected growing trust among investors in Bitcoin's ability to preserve wealth over time, especially in an era marked by inflation and currency devaluation. It proved that Bitcoin had matured beyond being a speculative asset, solidifying its reputation as a viable hedge against economic instability. The $100,000 price point underscored the pivotal role institutional investors played in the market. By the time Bitcoin reached this level, many large corporations, hedge funds, and even governments had incorporated Bitcoin into their financial strategies. The milestone served as evidence of deep institutional integration, showing that Bitcoin had transitioned from the fringes of finance into a cornerstone of modern investment portfolios. The news of Bitcoin reaching $100,000 captured global headlines and heightened public awareness of cryptocurrencies. This achievement piqued the interest of retail investors and individuals who had previously been skeptical or unaware of Bitcoin. The milestone catalyzed a surge in wallet creations, trading activity, and educational efforts, bringing blockchain technology into the spotlight for a wider audience. Reaching $100,000 carried enormous psychological and symbolic significance. For many, this milestone shattered lingering doubts about Bitcoin's potential. It proved skeptics wrong and reinforced confidence among long-term holders and advocates. This psychological boost contributed to greater investor enthusiasm, leading to further market expansion and a strengthening of Bitcoin's cultural relevance. The $100,000 price level reflected a paradigm shift in the global financial landscape. It highlighted the diminishing dominance of fiat currencies and centralized financial systems as individuals and institutions gravitated toward decentralized, borderless alternatives. This milestone underscored Bitcoin's role as a global asset and its growing influence in regions experiencing economic instability. The milestone also had profound implications for wealth distribution. Early adopters, miners, and long-term investors who had held onto their Bitcoin reaped significant financial rewards. This redistribution of wealth empowered individuals in ways that traditional financial systems could not, especially in underserved regions where Bitcoin was used as an alternative to unreliable local currencies. The $100,000 milestone symbolized the maturity of the Bitcoin market. However, it also brought new challenges, including the risk of speculative bubbles and heightened attention to Bitcoin's environmental footprint. These challenges forced the industry to address scalability and sustainability issues to ensure its long-term viability. In hindsight, Bitcoin reaching $100,000 was not just a financial milestone but a turning point in the narrative of decentralized technology. It validated the potential of cryptocurrencies to reshape the world economy and set the stage for further advancements in the years to come. Please listen closely, something big is about to happen in the crypto world, especially in the year 2025, but you must be patient. Like I always say, the best time to start accumulating crypto is now. Not financial advice. If you found this information useful, please like and share this video to whoever it may help. Again, I'm Crypto Bull Wilson, so get ready to run.